What's up, folks? Kids in the house. Today we got a great opportunity to talk about a fantastic Chevrolet product. Started in the 1950, folks. 7 generations later, still pumping strong, coming with some strong changes in 2020. The C8, folks. We're talking about a Chevrolet Corvette. In the shop, we have a 2006, known as the C6 model. Z51 package. Let's check it out.
I let my watch talk for me, my whip talk for me, my gat talk for me. Bah, what up, homie? My watch saying hi, shorty, we could be friends. My whip saying quit playing, bitch.
The C6 finally come with L-Line, folks. Remember, from C1 all the way down to C6, everything was pop-up light. I believe they've done a major facelift in 2006, and it surely pays off. Folks, we're looking at a V8 6-liter called LS2. The one earlier in the C5 was called the LS1, 5.7 liter. This one here, it's got 400 horsepower, 400 feet of torque. The biggest engine at the time in the 2006 Corvette was found in the Z06, the 7 liter, bringing it up to 505 horsepower. That also gives them the title of the 24-hour Le Mans in 2006. Lots of components were fiberglass on this thing. Very, very light unit, as we're looking at only 3,180 pounds. It was fast on the track. The C6 inside is very nice. They redesigned the steering wheel, much more grip, 6-speed transmission on the automatic. We got XM radio, and also well, folks, what can I say? The Z51 C6 Corvette passed the test. High on wheels for the love of cars.